it's absolutely pivotal for us to make sure that we are making healthcare innovations, diagnostics that are supportive of the entire family. And for us, with women at the core of how decisions get made regarding healthcare, we need more women's opinions involved in the process. And so for me, that means having women extremely well represented at all levels in our organization, both from research and development through our C-suite, to ensure that our organization is driving innovations that are the kinds of innovations that women are looking for. I believe it's a fundamental need of women, and I see this now more in the upcoming generations as well, to know that you're making a difference. We give so much of ourselves to what we do at work, and I think it's harder to make that connection in other industries, but in healthcare you can absolutely make the connection between what you do every day and helping patients, and I think that's a great reason to get up in the morning.
We see this as well here in the region. The identification of the women in our workforce with us as a healthcare company is much higher than the one of men. It requires an entire culture for a company, a learning environment, and a culture of trial and error to bring and produce innovation on a continuous basis. And the basis for all of this is diversity. Diversity of ideas, diversity of thoughts, and that arising from a workforce that comes from all different angles of the world, is in all different stages of a lifetime. That's age diversity, or as well gender diversity is one element of this. At Roche we do encourage learning as well through very active offerings of getting into new roles, having a stretch in your career to get into a completely new environment, get out of your comfort zone, which allows you to bring what you've learned in your previous place into a new environment and leverage it there in order to have better new combinations. And that's what we do from a pharmaceutical and diagnostics perspective, new combinations, and that's the same as we do in our development of people within the company. In the past 3 years, we've been active and participating as a company. And I think the next step would be whether we can, together with the Women in Leadership Forum, bring the concepts and bring this forum more into the industry, the IVD industry, in particular here in the Middle East.
I don't think anything happens in one part of the world anymore. And so for me, I think the word gets out and the enthusiasm spreads throughout the world, and we had speakers coming from all different parts of the world, and I think there's a place that you do it, but it also has an impact much broader in the global organization.